What's up, guys? It's the awesomest one, and right now we're gonna do it.
And it's me, Makeup Police.
And it's the Makeup Police, yeah, sure. And we are going to be doing slime, lots of it. We're going to the store right now.
Now we're going to the Smoothie King.
We're going to Smoothie King, then we're gonna go to the store to get some slime.
Not
So,
get slime.
I'll see you guys there.
Not get slime.
What's up, guys? We're back. Just got some Smoothie King. Right? Yeah, Smoothie King. My dad's going to use the restroom. We're gonna be right
What's
back.
up,
Guys? I'm back here, so.
And I'm back, and we're going to be making slime.
You gotta put
we have
4
4
ounces.
ounces of glue and a cup of water. So, mine is done. He just dropped his in. Okay, so now we stir it or add?
Yep, you gotta stir it.
Or add food colour.
Stir it. Yeah, stir it.
What is that for? Where do we?
Right, look. Add mine.
That should be enough. I got all of it,
Yeah, as much as you can. Stir it. I'll go get you some like forks or spoons or whatever. Plastic.
This is fine.
Does that work?
Yeah.
No. Yeah, it actually does. Okay, guys.
So,
Well, you pretty much do that. What's up, guys? Yeah.
what's up, guys? It's me,
Okay, so
and we made slime.
and it's actually me. Or this is my channel. That's your channel over there. That's my channel.
I made glue slime, guys, to my channel, and then I made
So
to Cooper's
I made-
channel. I made glue slime. I'm doing this.
here's my slime. Dude, it's actually really heavy. It's heavier than
I know.
Spanky butt, spanky butt, spank, spank, spanky butt.
Spank, 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 spank.
Guys, comment dares for us to do, okay? And we'll do them.
Let's mix these together. No, it's not. I think this should be the large. If we sell it.
Alright, we're not selling them. I'm keeping them.
This is my first good slime because at Amber's house, mine was rock hard.
I know.
Don't throw it on the ground. You get grass and nothing.
And Asher,
Yeah. Hold on.
let's go make some more.
This is my new oven mitt, guys.
And guys, when it gets hard, you add water to it to make it. Oh, your thing just fell over. Yeah, mine's good.
Sorry about this, guys. Do you think it's good?
I think we added a little too much borax.
Yeah. I'm gonna go wash my hands, guys. I'll be right back.
No, we're gonna make more.
No, we're not. Not today.
Why?
Wine.
I wanted to make more.
Wine. You have plenty. That's plenty.
Hold on, guys. About to make the thumbnail.
Can we make more, Daddy?
Not today.
Why? Daddy, why?
So, thanks, guys, and I'll see you later. What's up, guys? There was a change of plans.
But
Now we're gonna do some more
I think
slime.
it's one
Let's
of the
get
best
going.
I've ever made, and
This
it's
time I'm gonna take you through the process instead of doing the
and
timeline.
it's actually the best I've probably ever made. So you should definitely go make it. Go look at Google. Say how do you make slime with borax and water, and it will tell you. And this is what you get.
I
Yay!
already put it in. And then put some glue. Put the glue.
No glue.
Okay, guys. So just gonna get rid of this slime for now.
Hey guys, it's me again, and I'm pouring the glue in. Oh,
This
After pouring
box of
water.
borax right here,
yeah.
I had in Keller
You had what?
No
when we
way.
lived in Keller. That's how old this box is.
It's like older than
5
me.
years old.
It's like 3 years younger than me.
Probably older than that.
That's why it's like so hard.
Yeah. So yeah, the new one is.
I bet
No.
this batch would be even better.
Can we use the new one this time?
Nope. Already got 4 in here.
Wait, is that the new one?
One of them.
Can I have the new one?
Not fair.
Doesn't matter.
Exactly.
So how is it not fair?
I don't know.
Are you recording this?
Yes. What?
Why?
Well, I was gonna say something, but I'm not gonna say it now.
Turn them off, Cooper.
No.
Okay. Did you hear what he said?
Yeah.
Ash, you stand out here. Come in.
He's coming in.
Come on.
I feel so gooey already.
Don't use your hands for this part.
I already did. Now it's all over the place.
Yep.
I gotta go wash my hands.
No, Cooper.
I'm turning on the boat.
You want me to just open the door for you? Daddy's in the, not downstairs, she's upstairs. Cooper, what color are you doing this time?
I'll do.
I want to do pink.
do red.
So, I'm going to make pink and he's going to make red. So, I got the red food coloring. So, I had about 2 drops and then stir it.
Yeah.
This is not pink. Well, whatever.
Oh, it's getting hot.
I think I want to mix mine. Don't you?
Gosh.
What do you think you
Can I
want
have
to
that red,
mix?
please?
Mine's like not
Brown,
red.
please.
Mine's not red. Or not pink. It's red. That's way too much.
Exactly. I like blood red, bro.
I think mine's turning pink. So guys, I'm making pink.
It's blood red.
That's scary. I'm scared now.
You're not supposed to be scared.
But yeah, I'm scared if it doesn't turn out good.
And after you add borax, guys, just mix it with your hands.
Like I'm doing. I think we added too much borax this time. Again. What?
Well, then I didn't add.
You added all of it.
No, I didn't. Right there.
Well, I did. I think
Go,
you.
ask Daddy for another paper. Oh crap, he's in there.
It's fine. We can just put it on the same thing when it's not sticky. So we have
Or
to.
look at this chunk of borax.
Yeah, Daddy didn't mix it all the way.
Didn't mix. Alright, you're spilling. It's so hot.
Hot.
It's hot. It's hot.
Hard, you mean?
Hot.
Hot.
It's hot.
How's it hot?
It's hot. Feel mine. Feel right here.
What the heck?
It's hot.
Why is it hot?
Probably because it's been in the box for like 8 years.
8 years. 5 years. Wait, Cooper, now we can't do this video because Daddy told he didn't want him. Them
Oh, this
knowing.
isn't as good. Mine's hot.
Mine's not. It's probably because yours is old, mine is new. Mine's squishy.
Mine's squishy. Mine's not gonna turn out that well.
At least you made slime.
Yeah. Here, add this to yours.
You want? I don't want that. Are you not gonna have that?
No.
Get it. Get a fork and chomp it up. Would it help a little?
No, not really. Yeah, I'm throwing it away.
Can I have it?
Yeah, sure.
But not. No. Are you mad?
Yeah.
Guys, Cooper's slime did not turn. Oh my god. Cooper's.
My second batch didn't turn out that
Well, maybe Daddy added hot water.
well. Yeah, you're supposed to add hot water. And it didn't turn out well. Stop mixing it.
I'm trying to fix it for you.
Fine, if you can fix it, thank you.
Bon appetit. So Cooper's still here. He's just washing his hands.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, what is that? You tried to scare me.
No, it actually landed on me. It's the boogeyman! Well, this turned out very well.
Yeah, yours didn't turn out good, but
I'll go to Daddy.
he's not available. Cooper, can you turn the hose on for me?
Daddy?
Guys, I'm washing my hands.
Okay, guys. So thank you for coming and watching this. And oh my god, it happened again. And bye.